Yo, what's happening my brews and brewettes? My name is Wayne. Welcome to my channel where I ride trails, I rate mountain bikes, and I review products. Now you can see how excited I am. And that's because I am 1 week away from flying out of Cape Town on my next adventure. And yesterday I got confirmation from a bike brand that they are interested and they're coming on board for this adventure. I've got to go head off, I've got to go fetch this bike because we're only a week away. I've got to bring it back, I'm gonna lay it all out, see what parts this bike comes kitted out with because I have no idea. And then see if I need to use any of my bicycle parts on that one because let me tell you, this next trip is gonna be legit and I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Now it's already 1 p.m. so I guess I've got to head off, go fetch this bike, bring it back here, lay it all out. I need to get it set up and I need to get it dialed in. So what day is it today? It is New Adventure Bike Day. No, it is New Bike for the Adventure Day. Let's get that intro rolling.